Hello, fellow creators. It's Bluebrad here. Just a quick update on um, some help on Reddit, and I was going to give them a video. Let me get the file real quick here. So this person is having some issue with getting their pen tool to work right, and I know what would help them. Let me get my screen over here. Uh, there we go. Okay, so what their result that they're trying to get is these vertical arches, but what they're getting is an upward arch, a lower arch, and an upward arch. That's not what they're looking at getting. So let me show you how to do that here. So I'm going to first create a new layer so I can leave this layer behind. And then what I'm going to do here is simply with the pen tool, use the press and P on the keyboard, I'm going to make sure it's in the center, and I'm going to start off at the very edge. All I'm going to do is click, 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 and click. Then I'm going to take the selector, I'm going to hit P, and then I'm holding down Alt, and it will give me an arch. Now, when you pull this, your anchor handles are going to be off toward pointing towards that point. And what you want to do is bring these back over so that they're perfectly vertical with your original arch. And let me turn this into a default fill so that you guys can see it. And that, let me also scale up the stroke here so you guys can see that very well. So now what I do is I got that, and then I can do the same thing here. Direct select pull, and then what I'm going to do is match where that one is. And again, make sure I'm matching the height, and they go pretty close to vertical. Now, if I change the position of this anchor and holding down shift is how I'm getting that to stay perfectly level, it will stay pretty close to perfect level. And if you really wanted to, you can pull out your ruler and then drop in an anchor so that way you can snap the handle perfectly to that anchor if you must need that. So with the pen tool selected, again holding down Alt or Option, I believe on Mac, you could drag and drop your handles to there. So that way you will get a line like this. What happened here? Undo, turn off, and delete. Actually, I put it on top. Okay, so now I have the option of changing the position of this, and I'm going to get the option of what he was looking at getting. So I hope this helps, and thanks for viewing the short video. Stay creative.